3 seconds. Sir, the other most important point is that we are creating a top heavy administration. It is often said that every trustee should have a salary equal to that of a Supreme Court judge. Then will this not create heartburning among the people who work in the lower cadres? They are suffering, as some of my colleagues have pointed out. Many of the staff artists do not get pensions, they do not get proper pay, and no sound personnel policy has been framed for thousands of artists who are working in this country. How can we preserve the cultural heritage of the nation if such questions remain unanswered? These are fundamental issues. Sir, coming to another aspect, we also have to consider the recommendation that there should be two agencies, AIR and Doordarshan, amalgamated under one national trust. But I find that the policy followed in many democratic countries is different. Two separate organizations function everywhere. When we are thinking of restructuring the mass media today, why not conceive of two different national trusts? The difficulty is not financial but administrative. If we can have 11 trustees in place of 21 trustees, why can't we have two national trustees? Their problems are different. We require radio in remote villages and it must have priority. Broadcasting programs must take into consideration the national events, the regional needs, and the local newspaper questions. When regional events arise, their representation must also be considered. The national priorities in the mass media need to be examined. We must expand radio coverage throughout the country in the shortest possible time. We must study other countries' development policies but adapt them to our diverse needs with many languages, wider coverage, and national goals are essential, and centralization cannot solve these challenges. Television and radio must be improved through responsibility, proper trustship, and real autonomy, ensuring continuous programs that benefit backward regions and fulfill the nation's cultural and communication requirements effectively.